Testing, 1, 2, 3. Are we live? I swear to Jesus, we better be live. Hang on. Let me set the scene on starting soon. Actually, wait, no, I can't really do that, can I? I gotta adjust it here. Oh, I live. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, my mic quality really sucks, but that's okay. Let me adjust OBS real quick. There we go. Oh no, we don't want you to see my files, no. Wait. And there. That should be good enough. Yay, we are that. Why is it showing OBS? That's so stupid. Anyways, chat, we are live. Let me test my volume real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, volume test complete. And I can continue working on my mods. Speaking of which, let's see here. Has anyone... Dude, how is this mod still under review? Okay, 3 downloads, yay. I don't have more, but that's okay. Not showing you that. I don't need that anymore. Should be good. Okay, so, currently chat, and I'm talking to the air as I say chat because no one is in the stream. But that's okay. Mod elements. We have a steel block, but we don't have a compressed steel block. So let me real quick make that. Yeah, that's the compressed steel block texture. There we go. Okay. This should all be good. Properties. Hardness 530. Metal. And this should be good. Advanced properties. Iron. Slipperiness. Blah blah blah. That gets the creative inventory part. Visual. No, not there. Animation. No. Ah, there it is. Wait, actually. Let me see here. We want to put it in. Yeah, building blocks, I guess. And then that tab. There we go. Okay. Let's real quick check over. I hope I'm not doxing myself by doing this. I really hope so. I just had a realization that probably no one's online considering it's 12:45 p.m. PST. Everyone's probably still at school. Just realized that. Okay. Block color on the map. I forgot you had to do that. Let's make it light gray. Should be it. Yeah, save mod element. Add new one, because we're gonna make another block. Oh wait, actually first we gotta edit the recipe for Hang on, steel block, compressed steel block. Ooh, okay. Gotta edit the recipe for this. So we have a compressed steel block. So now we edit this, and we click on steel block, steel block, steel block, steel block, and then for this we need an iron block. So is that there? No, that's a compressed steel block. Iron block. Oh my god, they look exactly the same, but I promise you they won't look the same in-game. At least that's what I'm hoping. We also need a compressed steel block. Dude, I swear, these all look exactly the same, but I swear they're not. Okay, I swear. It's just not good at rendering textures. I did not mean to make it that. Hang on. There. Save mod element. And that should be good. I think we can test it now. Let's run. Please no errors. Please. Gosh fudging damn it. Oh, great. We had a bunch of errors. Alright, let's just let Minecraft load. It ain't even that big of a deal, man. Okay, we're back in with the compressor. This we don't need that currently. Let's come over here, and I still forgot to add the dang armor to this tab. Okay. We have the steel ingot, the compressed steel ingot, and the combined steel ingot. 3 different. Oh shoot. Okay, that's not good. Gotta change those. Yes, 3 different steel ingots that all look different. That scared the living hell out of me. God. Okay, slash others. Here. Okay. Now. Grab a steel ingot. Why did I get 64 crafting tables? Actually no, Mental. It is not the default armor texture. I actually changed the armor texture. It just looks the same. I swear. Okay. Let's go ahead and make... Really need that many blocks though? I'm not sure. Well, why not? Why not? Alright, now that we have these blocks, we can craft a single compressed steel. Now you may be wondering, Mental, since you're the only one in the chat, why does it take this many steel blocks to make a single compressed steel? Well, that's because the compressed steel armor is very overpowered. I'll show you in 1 second. Just let me, yeah. Okay, so I just saw the item texture for the armor. What are you on about? Oh, okay, I think I know what you mean by default. I really only changed the color theme, and that's it. But anyways, so in case you were wondering why it's so expensive to craft a single compressed steel, well, it's because this. Maybe you're wondering, what's so OP about compressed steel? Why is it so expensive to make? And that is because this. Let me show you. Gosh, damn it. Oh wait, no, that's correct. That's what it's supposed to do. Yeah. It's so hard to craft because you craft it and when you craft it turns the it is really overpowered. That's why. Yeah, full set of steel. Can these two like shut the hell up? Give me one sec. Alright, there we go. As I was saying, but you're probably not even in the chat anymore because you got bored. Yeah, hang on, let me real quick test something. Go. Damn it. Okay, this is a tough decision because steel armor gives you permanent water breathing. But then we have what's it called? Well, I mean, all you gotta do is smell iron, and then you pretty much have one of the most OP armor sets in the game. So I think I'm gonna change that crafting recipe. But real quick, let me just. I forgot the crafting recipe for the. Okay, I'm gonna have to quit Minecraft real quick. Okay, compressed steel block, and I just realized there's no crafting recipe for a compressed steel block. I gotta add that. Recipe compressed steel block craft. You need compressed steel. That's steel. That's compressed steel. And then we got a compressed steel block. Save mod element. There we go. Now, let's see here. What do I gotta do? Oh, right. Gotta change the procedures. This is so confusing. I wish you could organize it. Filter by recipe. What's up, LW? And also, what's up, the other two people in my chat? I should probably say other one person in my chat because the third person is me. And there we go. There's another done. My computer has been on since 9 a.m. I hope it's okay. Save. Lastly, the boots. Oh, I do? Wait, it went back to 900? No, I don't. LW, I don't. Some stupid loser unsubscribed after I made the post to thank everyone that I got 900 subscribers too. Like that, man, it couldn't have gotten any worse. But LW, if you're still in the chat and you still haven't subscribed, please do so I have 900. So I can get 900 subscribers. Let's see here. Looks good. Compressed armor. This is so confusing, man. Oh wait, you did sub? You did? Oh, I guess it's just YouTube being slow and you gotta update it. Or YouTube has to update it because they're slow. But man, thank you so much for subbing again. That was really needed. Yo, we got 4 viewers now. Bet that. Well, technically 3 considering I'm the first one, but yeah, that's cool. Save mod element. We have 2 more to go. Yay, this is so exciting. Save. Last one, finally. Save. Okay. Now. Man. Steel, yeah, that's fine. Compressed steel, yeah, that's fine. Oh, it's the ingots. Ingots. Compressed. Properties. Compressed steel. Ingot. Save. Oh, we also gotta add this to there. Save. And then combined steel ingot. Save. We also need to add the procedure. My mod's getting so cluttered. Oh my god. Procedure. Combined steel armor pro. Find armor pro feeder. Create. Select this one. Control this one. Logic. This one. Turn this into and. External outputs. Okay. Duplicate. Item. Action. No, it's under data. No, not that. Wait. And where is it? Item from armor slot. Item from armor slot. How convenient. Dude, I'm getting so hungry, my god. Actions, wait no, data. Wait no, it's not under there, it's under logic, yeah. That in there. Put that there. Duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate. Then we change this to 1, 2, and 3. Then for that, we need the add potion actions. Not under there, it's under here. Actions right here. We need respiration, otherwise known as water breathing. And set this to 20. Then we duplicate this, except instead it's 5 res. And here we have it. One of the most OP armor sets in the game. Save mod element. Okay, that was a lot to take in, but let's see. Okay. So, I think we're good to launch and test it out. Oh my Jesus! Oh, okay, chat. I will be right back. I gotta get some food. I'm starving. Okay, chat, I'm back. Got myself a meat stick. That way I won't starve to death. We're back in the world. Crafting table, which we already have. Cool. We got our steel armor. Hello, Fox. Good. Alright, we have our armor, and it gives us infinite water breathing. And the second we take it off, it disappears. Beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. It's amazing. It really is. And now, if we go ahead and craft compressed steel ingots, turn the compressed steel ingots into compressed steel blocks, then we craft, and we craft, and we craft, and we craft, and we get the second most OP armor in the game. And LW, no, we do not have flint and steel armor, but I did add a new recipe for flint and steel. If we simply get, I think you can guess, but if we simply get a steel and a flint, we make flint and steel, so that it actually makes sense. Now we have fire res, but the reason I said that this is the second most OP armor in the game is because there's still one more. And for this, we need steel. Let me grab steel block. We also need iron block. And together, they make a combined steel ingot. And using the combined steel ingot, using the combined steel ingot, you can craft the most overpowered armor in the game. And I'll show you why it's so overpowered. It's because if we take this armor off and put this on, you will see that we have infinite water breathing and infinite fire resistance. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why this is the most overpowered armor in the game, and why it's so expensive to craft. If you have a good iron farm, then you're fine. If you don't, then you must grind. I kind of rhymed that. I don't know though. But yeah. And let's see here. What else did we add? We have blah blah blah. Compressed steel furnace. That one's kind of useless. This one I only added because of old potato. Don't question that. Oh, this one, chat, y'all have not seen yet. If we go over to my creative tab, will I upload this? Oh, yes. In fact, I already have uploaded it. This one on Modric is still under review because the Modric mods take forever. But I already have it approved on CurseForge. As you can see, I have 3 down. It is amazing. Anyways, as I was saying before, if we come to this tab and grab this spawn egg, you can see Sean Brown's spawn egg. Gee, what's this? It's a redhead named Sean Brown. And y'all won't know who this is because this is a person I had real life experiences with. He was very much, in fact, my elementary school bully. I know, LW, very, very W that I have that motto. Anyways, so yeah, that's why I have this guy. And he does attack back to you in survival. Let me go in survival. Game mode survival. If you hit him, he will attack you. He doesn't do much damage though, which is the problem. And I must fix that because what's a middle school bully check it out on Curse later when I hop on LOL. Oh, nice. Anyways, as I was saying, what is a elementary school bully without the meanness of taking down? Oh shoot! Oh shit! I'm stuck. Get die. Oh, it's you. Let me kill you. There, dead. Okay, cool. Now you might be wondering, how do you get to interact with this bully? Like, how do you obtain him? Does he spawn or anything? No, he does not spawn. In fact, you instead have to craft him. His crafting recipe is quite simple, really. It's just leather, rotten flesh, bones, and pork. You take these crafting recipes, you put them in here. You get Sean's spawn egg. Now the reason it is rotten flesh instead of like something else like a brain is because Sean, he doesn't really have a brain. It's because of that he's a bully. If he did have a brain, then he probably would not be a bully. But that is why, instead of having a brain, he's crafted with rotten flesh. I know, right? It's crazy, but he deserves that. I mean, he kind of ruined my entire childhood from late 3rd grade all the way through end of 5th grade, so he deserves it. Let's see here. Is there anything else? Oh, yes. I'm not sure you guys have seen yet, but there is also... You can uncraft it? I did not even realize. Okay. There's also... Oh, shit. I need an iron block. And you know what? I'll just grab it from here. The compressor. The compressor compresses blocks and also crushes blocks. Do not question why it crushes blocks when it's called a compressor. It just does. Anyways, its main purpose is to compress sand. As you can see here, if I insert sand, it compresses into sandstone. And if I compress it again, it compresses into cut sandstone. And if I compress it again, it becomes smooth sandstone. Now, it can also compress stone, more specifically cobblestone. If we take this and insert it, we get gravel. Now you may be wondering, why would you ever want gravel? Well, I'm glad you asked, because we can use this gravel paired with the sand to craft gunpowder. Now you may be wondering, why exactly does it craft gunpowder? 2 reasons. 1, gunpowder is very useful in gun mods. And 2, I took inspiration from when I used to play on Multicraft, otherwise known as the best Minecraft clone, mobile clone I've ever played. Yes, that's where I got this crafting recipe from. But that's not all it can do, you see. I also added a recipe for redstone. If we come in here, we grab dye and cobblestone. You couldn't already guess. So you craft redstone, because it's red and stone, get it? But you may be thinking, well, I don't want to have to mine all this. Well, you don't. You put it in the compressor, and it crushes it into redstone dust. Very convenient, I know. Is there anything else we added? Let's see here. No, I do not think so. Oh yeah, Herobrine. About the Herobrine thing. I added Herobrine. Kind of. You see, if we just, let's go into Spectator game. Let's Spectator. Just wander around here. Oh, dang, there's another village over there. Let's see, let's just fly around here. Something should happen, hopefully. I hope I didn't make it too rare. Oh, shucks. Looks like I'm gonna have to TP to it. Wait, we didn't check over there yet. Come over here. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to locate. / locate structure. hell happened here? There we go, loaded in. You know what? TP 3000, 3000. And then after we do that, we do /locate again, and we TP to it. Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, this is crazy! What? No way! Herobrine is in the world! What do we ever do? What do we ever do? Yes, I added Herobrine. Oh my gosh, I gotta fix the spawn. Oh my goodness, so much. I gotta fix the spawning, man. This is way too much in one area, bro. This is not gonna be surprising at all if someone finds it. Okay, good to know. Gotta fix the Herobrine spawn structure. But I do think that is about it. Let's see here. TP 0, 0. Alright, we're back at spawn. That should be it for now. We gotta fix that little bug that we have. After I fix that bug, I'm gonna work on this compressed steel furnace, which is supposed to insta smelt stuff. That I will need a YouTube tutorial for, because I'm not that big of a nerd when it comes to MCreator. Also, I did make a custom advancement right here. It's pretty cool. Okay, so go to this, and then let's see here. Spacing roughly the average distance in between two structures, in chunks between two. Separation needs to be smaller than spacing. You can also swap game modes. Oh yeah, I know. I know that. I just don't do it very often. Uh, This part is kinda difficult. You know what? Learn more about structure. Okay. Don't care about this stuff. Just, let's see here. Importing, creating a mod element. Let's see here. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna just mess around with this. Maybe the spacing needs to be not. I'm not too sure. This is the part that really gets me. Like, tell me, does any of this make any sense to y'all? Because it does not to me. The minimum distance in chunks needs to be smaller than spacing. Structures are generated in a grid. Those two parameters control the grid. Roughly the average distance in chunks between two structures in this set. What if I turn this to 5? What if I turn this to 10 and this to 5? And then I save it and I run. What will that do? Oh wait, no errors. Please tell me there weren't any errors. Oh my god, yes, no more errors. Let's go. I don't know what the hell I did, but I'm happy. Wait, this is the wrong world. I need to be a new world to test the generation. Might take a bit. Alright, we are in. Locate structure. Okay, it's spawned. Now, did it spawn any more? Any at all? Oh, yes, it did. Oh, yes, it did. That's not entirely the best. Dude, it spawned even another one over. Oh, okay, this one's just floating above water. Nice. Do not want that to happen, but I'm not sure if I can fix that. I don't know if I have control over that happening. Did any more spawn? I'm hoping not. Oh my gosh, that is a big group of forces. Oh yes, another one spawned over here. And over here. Well, oh dear. I need to fix that. That is just amazing. Oh, don't you dare tell me I deleted my OG world. Oh my god. Real quick, let me check my trash can. Oh, that's not good. Okay, cool. Space. Okay, so what if I do that? Tell me this works, please. It's gonna take a bit again. Alright, we're in. Oh my dear heavens, this generation is insane. And right off the bat, we have a Herobrine shrine. Spectator. We have one there. We have another one there. And another one there. And another one over there. How very interesting. Interestingly bad. They are all so close to each other. That is not good. I think I might have an idea to counter that attack. We come over here, come over here. What if instead we turn this up to 20 and this up to 10? What would that do? Alright, we are in. Once again. Game mode, creative. that was kind of stupid. Game mode, spectate. Hello there, Louie Games. Hello there. Okay, we got a Herobrine structure spawning right here. Yeah, it does not look like a player would build that. Anyways, so let's see. Did another one generate anywhere near here? If so, that is not good. But if not, that is absolutely fantastical. Tell me none spawned in this forest, because that would be so hard to find. Okay, I spoke too soon. It was not hard to find, but one did spawn in the forest. Here's another one. Found it. Okay, so they all generate quite a distance away from each other. Let's see here. Open F3. We're at negative 300. And then over here. None over here. I really wonder how Mojang made these. I did not want to save a screenshot. Gosh dang it. I wonder how Mojang made villages. 'Tis really interesting how they made it. Okay. Well, I think this is gonna be our new testing world because it looks really nice. I think that should be far away enough, but just to make sure, I will crank it up one more time. 15 and 30. That should do it. Okay, guys, now I can work on making this stupid compressed steel furnace. And I call it stupid because the process is gonna be really, really difficult. So I gotta watch a video. Let me real quick just let's see here. Where's OBS? Terrain generation for villages is so weird. Yeah, it's so true though. Okay, real quick, let me add text. I had to remove one for a lore thing on a server you're on, and you had to smooth out terrain because it otherwise it looked too much like terrain. Dang, that's crazy. Okay, so I will watch this video and be right back, but first I must do something. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, text, be right back. Done. That's way too big. Put that right here. And then turn off display capture. That should be good. Alright. How to make a furnace-like block in MCreator. 19 minutes? Hell no. That's even worse. That's 22 minutes. Ooh, 12 minutes? 4 minutes. Now that's what I'm talking about. Chat, I don't know how y'all are still here, even though I've been gone for like so long. But as it turns out, making a furnace is really, really complicated. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna add that the next update, but not live stream it. Actually, maybe I'll live stream it if I learn how to make a furnace. So instead, what we're gonna do is we're going to make a procedure for the furnace. We're gonna click new procedure. Compressed compressed steel furnace procedure. Create new. Okay. So now we click on this one and we see, oh my Jesus, that is a lot of procedure blocks. So now we need an if do, 2 if do's to be exact. So flow control if do and another if do. And then we need get number of items from slot. Okay. Get number of items from slot. That should, if I'm not mistaken, be under here, and no, it is not. Wait, no, yes, it is. I'm stupid. Math. Wait, what is it? Oh, okay, I see. So it's under here. Put that in brackets. And then that needs to be a not equal. And then we need a Minecraft component, or not. It's supposed to be a math component. Take that and we put it there. 164. There we go. And then over here, we need get item from slot. So let's search for that. Get item from slot. That's not too convenient. Okay, dang it. Although it is probably under item procedures. Let's see here. Get item from slot. Do we? Man, this is so complicated. Get item from slot 0. Get item from slot 0. No. Get item from slot 0. Man, where the hell is it? Get item from slot 0. Slot 0 of the current GUI. Get item. Still nothing. That's just amazing. Wait, tell me it's not under entity procedures, right? Data. Yeah, it's not under entity procedures. So where could it be? This is so annoying. Never mind, it was. It was under there. Wait, no, it's not. It's get item from armor slot. Dang it, man. Okay, yeah, so it's not in here. Where the hell can it be? Where? Genuinely just where? Get copy, no. Actions. No. This is so annoying. Where is it? I'm actually so stupid. My god, it was under slot and GUI. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we finally found that. Now we just need math and, wait, no, not math, logic and this. And you don't want to go in, but you're gonna go in anyway. And then we need another that, which is gonna come from Minecraft components. And then do. That should be under here. Yep. Remove. And set. 10111. Okay. 1011. Wait. Oh, wait. This is so confusing. Set. Oh, that's where the 1 is. Get number of items from slot 1. Should be under here. Get. No. Tell me it's not somewhere obvious. I mean, I would like it to be obvious, but just please tell me it's not. Actions, data, no. Data, get, number of, I don't know. That's the wrong one. Wait a second. I'm so stupid. I'm genuinely so blind. This is the exact thing I need. Duplicate that and put this in there. Never mind, I'm not blind. That doesn't go there. So, oh, it's a plus. You get that from math. And you put that right here. Yep. But first you take the 1 out. Then you duplicate this and put that in. Then you put this in. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Completed thing. I don't know what to call it. First order of business. Turn cobblestone into stone. Then, after that, you turn stone into smooth stone. And then you can't smelt it anymore. Then after that, let's move on to the deep slate, shall we? You get cobbled deep slate, and you turn it into deep slate. Then you take that deep slate and turn it into smooth deep slate. Smooth. Alright, cool. Smooth deep slate does not exist. Okay. What kind of deep slate does exist? Deep slate tiles, cracked, deep slate, cobbled. What about polished? Is there polished? Hey, well, I guess it just doesn't go past deep slate. What else is a furnace thing? Oh, of course. But of course, it's glass. How could I not know it's glass? Let's do sand into glass. Sand, glass. Now, after that, what else? What else can we smelt? Yo, chat, can you give me some ideas for what else can go in a furnace? In the meantime, while I wait for the stream delay to get to y'all, I'm gonna add some food to it. That being stew pork into pork. And then beef into beef. Okay, now I'm stuck. Oh, wait, no, we can still do the muttons. Duplicate mutton into mutton. Then after that, we can do, let's see here, chicken. There's still chicken. Is that brother? Why does raw chicken look like that? Chicken. We have cooked chicken. Beautiful. And now, let's see, what else is there? Well, I mean, yeah, y'all gotta give me some more smelting ideas, okay? Give me some more smelting ideas. In the meantime, I am going to add another element. That element being a GUI. This will be the compressed steel furnace GUI. It already exists. Alright, cool. Oh, here it is, actually. This procedure will be... No, 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 yes. Wait a minute, it already exists. Are you kidding me? Okay, never mind then. It already existed. That's good to know. That's a procedure. Oh, so that's where it was. Okay. Guess what? I don't care about you. You're stupid. I'm gonna delete you. There. Now if we go back into the compressed steel GUI, we can select compressed steel furnace procedure. Hooray. Save changes. We're done with that. But now we have to go back here into advanced no, no, and here, and click yes. Right click to enable. And also yes on these guys. And now, chat, we can test the mod again. Yay. Is anyone else hungry, or is that just me? Okay, we're inside Minecraft. Let's load up our world. And by our why is it just a grass block as an icon? I have never seen that before. Welcome to the stream. Technically second person. Yes, I know. Proceed. Did I get any errors? Tell me not. Oh, let's go. I didn't get any errors. Oh, yo, what's up, TNT Jaden? Yo, TNT Jaden. Do you only play Bedrock or not? Or, I mean, not Bedrock. Do you play Java? Let's see here. Creative. There we go. Finally. Okay. Now, we take the okay, cool. The furnace isn't here. Oh my gosh. Caps lock off. Ah, the beautiful compressed steel furnace. And now, we can take the compressed steel furnace and let's test it out. Let's turn some stone. Gosh damn it, man. Gosh damn it. My god. I rarely play it because I'm bad on Java. Oh, I play Java all the time. And I'm still bad at Java. Mostly PvP. Not really anything else. Oh yeah, and bridging. Alright, well chat, it's a good thing we found that bug. It's time to fix it. Okay, we're back here. Now we gotta edit the compressed steel GUI. Okay, that's an output slot. That's an input slot. Both good. So that means something went wrong in the compressed steel furnace procedure. That means something went wrong. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of stuff. Dear heavens. Okay, so if we come here, go inside of here, I can see my previous code. 111 111 164 164 010 010. It's perfectly fine. So what's wrong? Oh my god, we have 4 people on the live stream. Oh yeah, chat, I'll be right back. I gotta go do something. Okay, chat, I'm back. So, what do you think is the best part about all this? Do you think it's fixing bugs? Then you're half right and half wrong. This is so annoying, man. The code looks identical. So why does it not work? Press furnace procedure. Man, the code is 1-to-1. So why the hell does it not work? Is it a problem with the GUI? Let's see, that's an input slot, and that's an output slot. And then, my god! So there was no bug. It was just me not clicking save mod element. Save changes. Save mod element. Okay, chat, we fixed the bug. Now we launch Minecraft and pray that it works. Oh dear, there's a, oh my god, no, there's an error. Not too many, thank god. How long has this live stream been going for? Oh, oh, we got a Chinese character. I have no clue how to read that, by the way. Okay, hopefully this works. Okay, let's see here. Hello there, little piggy. Let's grab a furnace. Oh, right, I gotta add the furnace to the tab. Okay. Furnace. Compressed steel furnace. Now we grab stone. Let's go, chat, it works! Chat, the furnace works! I mean, it may not be the best furnace ever, but, I mean, it works! Yeah, man. Go! It's so awesome! Okay, I know it's not the best currently, but it'll get better later on in life. And by later on in life, I mean in the next update. because currently I don't have time to learn stuff on stream. Anyways, let's see here. What did I need again? Sand. Sand can turn into, absolutely beautiful glass, man. That's amazing. But wait, if we put something in, oh, it goes back in your inventory. That's awesome. So awesome. Oh my. Let's see here. Where? Okay, no, that's not. Yeah, here it is. Okay, now if we take the compressor and put it right. No. Oh wait, I just realized we need to make the furnace like turn. Oh wait, no, I already did that. Never mind. Now if we put that in, does it come back? Nope. It just gets deleted for some odd reason. We gotta fix that bug too. I love fixing bugs. I hate fixing bugs. So the compressor is also known as an inefficient trash can, because you can just put stuff in and boom, it's gone. Quite inconvenient, really. So we gotta fix that bug. It's bug fixing time. Let's go do this, chat. Okay. So, if we come inside of the compressor, advanced properties, nope. Block entity, yep. Okay. So, let's see here. What is the problem? What is the problem? Properties, nope. Block entity, yep. Okay, so this has pretty much the exact same settings. So why does it have that bug? Why? Is it a problem with the GUI? Honestly, let me check that. Okay. Okay, let me real quick move this to here. Yeah, it looks fine. Looks fine to me, at least. If we go inside the procedure, where is it? Where's this damn procedure, man? Where's the gosh dang procedure? Oh, here it is. If we go inside here. You know what? Let me test something. Let me test if I were to turn this off. You know what? Let me just set this to 99 and 9 real quick, because that's how it is inside of this. Let me just do that real quick. See if that does anything. Oh, let's see here. Please tell me that does something. Yay, we have another error. I love errors, don't you guys? Oh wait, that's the same error from before. Never mind. It's officially 2 o'clock, and I started streaming at 12. It's been 2 hours. Amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, this error is... Well, that's not good. The compressor GUI screen. Warning. Resource location is blah blah blah. What is that junk supposed to mean? You know what? Let me bring up our good old buddy ChatGPT. Give me 1 sec. Y'all cannot see. But why is there just a Minecraft in the corner there? Okay, I guess I'll just bring that right here. Anyways, y'all cannot see my ChatGPT. Let me just copy and paste this warning inside ChatGPT to see what the heck the problem is. Because I'm not trying to figure it out. does this error? Alright, I'll let him do his thing. Means this line in your GUI screen is using an old constructor that Minecraft marked for removal. Specifically, deprecate will be removed, so your mod still compiles, but future Minecraft versions may break. Emojing de blah blah blah. How to fix your exact. I'm not trying to do coding. Actually, wait. It's actually not that hard. Isn't it the exact same line of code? It's literally the exact same thing. Okay. Well, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. Okay. Display capture is on. Go inside Minecraft. Load up the world. Oh my god! 4 people in the chat. What is good, people? What's going on? We're over here fixing bugs on stream. By we're, I mean me. I'm fixing bugs on stream. And that just dropped to 2 people. Nice. Okay. Furnace. Wait, no, not furnace. Compressor. If I put it in, does it? Yes, it does. That's so annoying. That is so annoying. Absolutely fantastically annoying. Let's grab some sand real quick and compress it. We're not able to compress it anymore. That is good. Oh my god, I just deleted it, man. I just deleted it. Okay, get rid of that diamond. Well, it's good to know that did not fix the bug. On to some more bug fixing, people. I love doing bug fixing. It's my favorite thing. It's not. It's, in case you didn't know. Okay. So, we go inside here. Block entity. How about let's uncheck that. Save and launch. I don't know what that's gonna do, but hopefully it does something. And not something bad either. Oh wait! Wait, that fixed the error somehow. Okay, I'll take it. Maybe that fixed the bug, but who knows? Who could possibly know? Okay, got our sand. Let's go get the compressor again. And let's see if that... That did not fix it. And oh man! Onto some more bug fixing! Yay! Okay. Time to fix some more bugs. Honestly, I'm tempted to just make this a block entity and let it contain items. No, what if I did that? Actually, no, that's not very good to do. No, there's gotta be some difference between these two that makes the compressor have the bug. I just need to find out what is the thing that's different. Properties. I hate fixing bugs. Advanced properties. Let's make that into nothing. Never mind. Lock entity. This is belly strange. It's so belly strange. Strange bug that you do not know how to fix for the life of me. You know what? Let's go into their GUIs. Let's go into that GUI and where is it? Nope, that's not the GUI. That's not the GUI. That is. There we go. Okay, let's go into these two. In the compressor. Oh, and our last viewer just left. Nice. That should have fixed the bugs. But first, steel ingot, that's in. Steel block, that's in. I need to add this. No, that's already in there. Just need to add this in there. Then I need to create a new block. Name it combined steel block. Give it a texture. Generate. And make this its texture. Hooray. Hang on real quick. To that. Okay, now if I change this color into that. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh my god. That's actually beautiful. Okay, create and merge. Save this texture as combined steel. Wait. Combined steel block. Sure. Save. There we go. And now, let's see anything else. Properties. There we go. We have that. Now we need new recipes. We need the recipe to uncraft some blocks. Press steel. In There we go. Another recipe. And with that, should be done with the update. But alas, I must test the mod first. Oh my god! How much errors did we just get from that one little update, man? Jesus! How much errors did we just get from that one tiny little update? Oh, we got our viewers back just in time. Yo, chat, I finally fixed the bugs. And I also gotta fix these errors by real quick sending them off to Chat GPT. Alright, cool. So those aren't errors, they're just warnings. Okay, let's see if we fixed all our bugs. I'm hoping we did. First thing to check, creative inventory. Yes, sir! Yes, sir, it's all here. Boy, it's all here. Oh yeah. Now, let's take a sand. I thought I fixed the bug. I thought I fixed it. I could have sworn I fixed it, man. Oh my god. Oh, could have sworn that's what the problem was. Okay, let's go into compressor GUI. I forgot to click save mod element. I forgot to click save mod element. Are you kidding me? So I did fix the bug. I just forgot to click save. That's all it was, man. Being serious right now. Okay. Save changes. Save mod element. There. I saved it. Now if I launch, it should hopefully work. Well, dang, that just reduced all the warnings by so much. I'll be darned. I'll be darned. Okay. Open up the world. Pray that the bug is fixed. Okay. Let's go! We fixed the bug! Well, technically me, but anyways. We fixed the bug! Finally! It goes back inside your inventory. Yes, sir! Oh, this is amazing. I love this. Oh, it's so satisfying, man. Just... And it appears. It's so satisfying. Oh my god, yes! I did it, but this is amazing. This is amazing, chat. I think we're close to the end of today's stream. And this, today's stream, I mean, like, the stream I'll do once in a while. But I think we're close to the end of stream. Let me real quick go inside spectator. And let's find some new Herobrine structures. TP 2000. 2000. Okay, we're at 2000. We're at a plains biome also, so that could mean that we have some Herobrine shrines here. Could. It doesn't mean it will, but it could. So far, not seeing anything, which is neither good nor bad. How did we find a shipwreck before the Herobrine thing? That's crazy. We still have another forest over here. Still loading. Oh man. I think we successfully fixed the problem of the structure being too common. But now it just might be too rare. Let's see here. I'll be right back real quick. I'm back. My mom just brought me some food. We have another plains biome over here. Did the Herobrine structure spawn here? Again, no. Interesting. It did not. As I've said before, that is neither good nor bad. Locate structure. Of course, it's 607 blocks away, man. Of course. Found one. How many more are we gonna find? There's one there. Probably means there's one somewhere decently close by. We found another one. It's so far away from each other. There's another one. But alas, I have good news. I think we fixed the problem of it being too common. And thank the Lord we did. Otherwise it would have been way too common. Okay, this is 0, 0. So here's our testing location. We're back. Game mode creative. Now let's test out the crafting recipes. We need to do that. Let's grab some steel stuff. Steel, steel, and steel. Craft it into that, it works. Craft it into that, it works. Craft this into that, it works. Craft that into this. Wait, what? Oh, I gotta fix that bug. Okay. Craft that. Okay, that doesn't even work. Okay, good to know. It's bug fixing time again, chat. Okay, so this gives you 9. Save. And this gives you 9. Wait a second. So you're telling me I made a combined steel block, but there's no way to craft it? That is so stupidity of me. Recipe. Combined steel block. Crap. Yo, Morgan, it's me. I'm at the restaurant. Okay, Gabe. Well, when you gonna get back? There we go, that should do the trick. Hooray. Now we can unfilter the filter. Also, chat, just look at how much stuff I added to the mod. It's crazy. add a folder. Like an hour or a little more, but I will for sure be back. Okay, good. Can we drag stuff into the folder? No, wait, hang on. Oh no, we can't. Oh dang it. Alright, well that's unfortunate. Run the game, please. No errors. Let's go! No errors! Making more stuff. Yeah, Gabe. So here's what I added in this mod update. I added compressed steel and combined steel. I also added a compressed steel furnace, steel armor, compressed steel armor, and combined steel armor, which all three of those armors are really overpowered. And I also fixed tons of bugs. I also added Sean, my elementary school bully, but I gotta make him do more damage and attack faster, which I will do after this test. Indeed, it is very cool. Okay, that's good. Now, let's go! It works! Let's go! It works! Let me, real quick, do that. You should make Sean insult you too, in chat. Honestly, that would be a pretty good idea, and I might be able to do that. Also, here's a little thing about Sean. Not sure if this is TMI or not, but back in elementary, one day we were just playing Foursquare chillin', and he was cheating as usual. That's just what those stupid elementary school bullies do. And Sean decided, you know what? I'm gonna be a loser. And he kicked me in my thing. Thankfully not that hard. Not as hard as I slammed my thing into my bike multiple times before, but it was still pretty bad. And the worst part, no one gave a damn crap. You know, if I wasn't such a wimp in elementary, I guarantee you, I would have punched that absolute loser of a faggot in the face. Anyway, we fixed that bug. So each of these ingots can now craft blocks, and the blocks can turn back into ingots. And we can do that with every single ingot and block. Hopefully. Yes, we can, sir. Yes, we can. We did it. We fixed that bug. Yeah, I know, right? Ow, it was very painful. Well, the times I slammed my thing in a bike, not as much as when he kicked me. Still pretty bad. Finally, I think all the bugs are fixed. Hang on, let me check real quick. Check the creative inventory tab. Let's see here. Gotta go, but see you later. Okay, see you, Gabe. Thanks for joining. Okay, so we have steel. We have steel block, and steel block. We have compressor. We have furnace. We have 1, 2, 3 different ingots. We have the brain. We also have 1, 2, 3 armor types. Beautiful. I think that is all we need in the tab. But let me do another quick test with these guys. I need to grab this and this and this. These names are really long. Anyways, if we put them on, we should get 1 second and then it goes away. Yup, perfect. That works like a charm. Then we get that, and then we take one off and it goes away. Perfect. Then we put this on. Gives us both for 1 second, and then each goes away. Perfect! Just like how I wanted it to go. Okay, we should be done with testing very soon. Very soon. Let me just grab the furnace one more time. Let me test. If I put stuff in, yep, it comes back out. That's good. The compressor looks good. Is there anything else in the mod? We have, ooh, steel nuggets! Steel nuggets. I'm not sure if those are in the tab. No, they're not. We need to add steel nuggets to the tab. Good to know. Okay. Then we have, let's see here. Steel, blah, blah, blah. We have both the dummies in there. We have the brain. We don't have Lana, but no one wants Lana. Lana's stupid. Then we have the steel armor. We have this steel armor. We also have Sean. And we have combined steel, compressed, combined, and the combined armor. So now, all we gotta do, and I think this might be the last thing other than making Sean stronger, we need to add steel nuggets to the menu, and then buff Sean, and then we should be done. Let's real quick do that. Let's add this to the tab. Let's cancel. Add this to ingredients and that. Save. And then for Sean. Sean's a bit more complicated to fix. Let me real quick get a bite of my food though. Okay. Let's see here. I don't really know what this stuff does. Hmm. No clue what all that is, but I think to fix this guy, just gotta do this. Now let's test. Please no errors, please. My god, bro, the amount of errors we got from that one little change. It's crazy. Okay, we're loading in. We are in. Now, let's test the tab. And yes, it's there! It's there! Hooray! Hooray! Now, what we also need to do is test Sean. If we get Sean, a sword. Alright, I'm not in survival. I'm not sure if he's buffed or not. Let's test two of them at once. Oh heck no! Oh heck no! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away! Get away! Oh my god, that was not creepy at all. Okay, let's give myself regeneration. Give at S generation. 1, 2. Okay, all healed. Let's test Sean again. There we go. Got him. I wonder what this guy's attack range is. Let's see here. He does some damage. It's good to know. But his attack range, that's the thing. He has to get up close to attack. Now, we don't want that. We want him to attack closer than having to be. We want him to attack from farther away. So let's real quick fix that. Also, he should automatically be able to be hostile. Let's go in here. Let's go to AI goals. What's the difference between player and server player? I actually do not know. That is interesting. But now, if we save this element and play, please, and we still have errors, nice. I just wonder what those errors are, you know? I just wonder. Let's scroll up here and see. Sean Brown, Sean Brown, Sean Brown. So it's basically with all the dummies. Now, what did all the dummies do to deserve this, man? What did they do? Anyways, let's test Sean first before we fix these bugs. Okay, we're back in. John, you gonna walk around? You like a normal person? Interesting. Very interesting. Sean still does not immediately attack us like before. I must see what went wrong in his code. Code. I said. Huh. Let's real quick make a new entity. Let's call this test. Just so we can see its code. Pretty much the exact same thing. Just without this checked. Let's see what happens if we uncheck that. We save the mod element and delete test. Then we launch the game again. We still have all these errors. But it's fine, because ChatGPT said those errors are not errors at all, but instead peaceful and calm warnings. Warnings that do not do anything to affect the gameplay. Okay. Load in. So now he doesn't call for help. He still doesn't immediately attack us like he used to before. Interesting. Maybe we have a chance to fix that. Dead. Dead. Let's go on creative and test out some of the other dummies, and not just Sean. For example, let's test out Lana. Oh yuck, this stupid thing. You're so ugly, man. Let's go on survival and test you out. Let's see how you do with damage. Survival. Oh, you're scared instead of attacking. Interesting. Stupid. You don't deserve to live. Okay. Let's spawn all of you in. Let's punch you. Interesting. Now, let's do a little bit of testing. Wait, where's the sun? Okay. Let's do a little bit of testing with armor, okay? Game creative. Let me real quick grab some armor. Now let's give Sean the armor. Aha! As I can clearly see, Sean is incapable of equipping armor because you're stupid, just like you were in elementary school. Let's test it with a dispenser. We have a dispenser. And we dispense the armor onto him. Will that work? First, we gotta grab redstone block. No, not you, Lana. Sean. Okay, no, so it just dispenses into air. Good to know. Good to know. Okay. Let's make Sean and Lana more capable. If you could say that. Okay. Let's see here. if? Now, this is a big what if, but hang on. Actually, hang on real quick. Let me make a new entity. Call this guy test. His texture will be a dummy. I wonder how that's gonna look. Actually, you know what? I probably shouldn't get any more errors, so I'll just get that thing. Oh, we have 3 viewers! How nice! The behavior, creature, and yeah, let's not change anything else. Let's see what happens then. Oh my gosh, we have so many errors. And I do not like errors. But it is all fine in the end. We must test our entity changes. Let's grab test real quick. Also grab a sword. Go in survival. Oh my gosh, you attack much faster. I see. You are very capable. I'm proud of you, Test. And that is how I want Sean to be, okay? I want Sean to be more capable of himself. Because currently, he's an incapable nut. Give myself regeneration. With now, delete test. Because test has been test is done being tested on. Now, I'm sorry, Sean, but you have much work to be done on. First, you must change your crafting recipe. Instead of crafting you, it crafts that. Save. Now, we can successfully delete you and delete Lana. Then, first order of business is adding back. Let's go Sean, because Sean is more important to me. Not that I like him, of course. His name tag will be Sean Brown. And his model will be that. Behavior. Be a creature. Spawning. Unable to spawn. And this looks all good. Let's save you. Oh, wait. No, I gotta change you. So that will be that, and that will be that. Save. And then add another living entity. This one will be Lana again. Lana FPE. It will be called Lana. And you will be light gray with gray. And your model will be that. Your behavior will be a creature. Your health will stay at 10. All this looks fine. Yeah, it all looks good. Yeah. Oh wait, spawning. We must turn off your spawning. We don't want you to spawn, okay? Save. And now let's click on Sean again and edit him. His behavior 20 and save. Now, if we launch, let's see what'll happen. Oh my G! We still have errors. But people, it is fine. Errors are just errors. They are not a threat of our way of life. Actually, no, those are warnings. I keep calling them errors, man. Okay, let's go into create again. That seed. Sean's no longer inside the tab, but that's okay. That's okay. We have Lana here, but we also have Sean here. We have both Lana and Sean. Spawn Lana. We attack Lana. Lana goes to kill us. What about Sean, though? Good job, Sean. I'm proud of you. Not really, though, because you're a stupid bully. Now we must make them both drop their own spawn eggs, because I think they are fine now. And then we gotta add Sean to our custom tab. After we do that, I think it will be safe to say that our mod is ready for distribution, people. After almost 3 hours of streaming, we will finally be done with the new update of the mod. Let's real quick add this guy to the spawn eggs tab. Under behavior, he will drop his own spawn egg. Save. Then for Lana also. Your behavior, you will drop your own spawn egg. Wait, no. It's supposed to be Lana. Save. Now for Sean's crafting recipe. Save. And with that, let the testing begin once again. Why is it taking so long to... Okay. Got errors, people, but like I said many times before, it's fine. We must continue on with the testing. I'm very tired of testing, but alas, we must continue on. We must. We must. Simply must. Let's go inside creative. Go to our tab, and Sean is here, people. He is here. What about Lana, though? Is Lana here? Lana indeed is here. She is. Here's Sean. And here's Lana. Crit Lana. There we go. Well, people, I think it's safe to say our mod is ready for distribution. Oh yeah, so exciting! I know. It's ready. It's ready. The update is finally here. Oh, and I started flying. Nice. Okay. Next update, I might add tools and stuff, but for now, this is fine. I think we have all the stuff that we need inside here. And we can now finally export the mod to CurseForge and Modern. Build successful. What a beautiful thing to see, isn't it? It's absolutely magnificent. With that, the export begin. Let's see here. Wait, how do I export again? I forgot. File. No. Workspace. Export the mod for distribution, people. It's ready. Build successful. Export the mod without donating. Wait, cancel? Cancel, I forgot something very important. We need to file preferences. Wait, no, not preferences. Workspace. Edit the workspace settings. This is now mod version 1.1. Now you may be wondering, why the .1? Because this means that I fixed a bug. And I did fix a bug. So, it is .1. I don't think that's necessary. I think just one major update is good. Yeah. It should be good. Save changes. And finally, let the export finish. Export mod without donating and save it to downloads. People, we are done. But first, I must do that so you can't see all my private files and stuff. I will be back on CurseForge. Okay, people, we're on CurseForge now. Amazing, I know. So now, we come over here to edit, we add a file, and here's where I need to do that. Choose file, downloads, open. Now, y'all can see. There, I uploaded it. Publish file once automatically approved. Environment, it will be server and client mod loader, Forge, Java 17, Minecraft, not 19.2, release. Changelog 1. Added 2 new dummy types. Sean and 2. Added a new block. No. Added 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Furnace. This one's still Number 3, added item. Added we have compressed steel ingot. What else did we add actually? What else did we add? Compressed steel ingot. Hang on 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so we added the compressed steel and the combined steel. Yeah, that's it. Really it. Okay. Alright. And combined steel ingot. Added. Okay, I did spell resistance, right? Fire resistance. And and resistance. Added. Recipe. Added a new craft. think that might be all that we added. And by we, I mean me. Oh wait, no! We also added Sean. We added Sean. Sean's crafting recipe. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and say that. Plus. Let's see here. Is there anything I did not cover? Yes, there is. There is. You're the only viewer here now? Yeah, you are. Hang on, chat. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yes, I do know it is boring, but after it's over, the stream is over. So, yeah. We did add some more crafting recipes, so I have to add that. Wait, there's another person here? It only says 2 for me. Interesting. Okay. Let's see here. You know what? It's not worth adding them. I think it's just good like this. Add file. File uploaded successfully. Status baking. In the meantime, you guys in chat can go ahead once I wait for the chat to load. This might take a bit. Yo! I just realized I gained 4 subscribers. 4 subscribers during the live stream. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Y'all, thank you for the support, man. That's awesome. Is this chat gonna frickin' load or what? Finally it loaded. Finally. Yo, guys. Here's my Oh man, that's awesome. Thanks so much, Fox. Okay. Here's the mods CurseForge link. Okay. There we go. Okay, guys. I think this will be the end of the live stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the new subscribers I got. And I will see you either in the next video, short, or live stream. Goodbye, enjoy the mod, and have a great rest of